बिरेस्तारा जागतीक पर्यटन दिसा निमतान पणजेंत कार्यावळ जाली. ह्या निमतान प्रदर्शन आयोजीत केल्लें. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
Every year, 27 September has been celebrated as World Tourism Day, and this day has been celebrated because in the year 1980, on 27 September, the Statutes of United Nations World Tourism Organization were adopted, and as a commemoration to this, every year 27 September is celebrated as World Tourism Day. And Goa Science Center will, in collaboration with Department of Tourism Goa, will be celebrating this day by organizing a tourism expo.
Our science center like us are different organizations which are catering to the needs of the society in the way they can. So this is for the purpose. So I think we have got a good hand, supporting hand from Department of Tourism. Without that, this event may not be possible. Shri Merino D'Souza, Director, Department of Tourism, and Madam Saili Ji, Deputy Director. So they have given a good sponsorship for the program, which is making this to happen.
For you is to that the once you go to that monument, first you find out what information you can collect about those monuments. I have seen that those who visit the monuments are not really well informed about its history. So first collect the information from Wikipedia or some books and then visit the monuments. So the historical background of why the monuments were built hundreds of years back, that you will come to know. Then when you visit the monuments, see whether there is any publication counter. Usually it is near the ticket counter. So publication counter has got books, small books, guide books published by the Archaeological Survey of India in Hindi, English, and sometimes some other languages also. They are very reasonably priced. The ASI guidebooks with black and white photographs will be hardly 25, 30, 35 rupees. There is a separate series of archaeological monuments which are recognized by World Heritage Center UNESCO. So UNESCO sites have a separate guidebooks. They are also reasonably priced. They are 100% color photographed. They are reasonably priced at 60 rupees. So you can purchase those books, go through them, understand the historical background of why these monuments were first built up.